Start your morning
Seniors
with
eat
lentils.
these 5 grains every morning to restore muscle fast and fight sarcopenia. Imagine, more than 30% of seniors over 60 lose muscle mass quickly, even if they eat normally. This is called sarcopenia, a silent condition that steals your strength day by day. Simple tasks, like climbing stairs or carrying a light bag, become exhausting, even difficult. The good news is, the solution may be simple. A small morning habit can rebuild your muscles, it can boost your energy, and restore independence easily. The secret? 5 natural grains, proven to strengthen muscles and prevent muscle loss. As we age, the body faces many challenges: low protein, poor absorption, and reduced physical activity. All of this accelerates muscle loss gradually. But legumes are rich in plant protein, fiber, essential minerals, and vitamins. Everything seniors need to maintain muscles, bones, and energy. In this video, I'll reveal these 5 powerful grains and explain how to include them in daily meals easily. I'll share tips to avoid digestive problems, like soaking or using proper portions. You'll also learn creative ways to make tasty breakfasts and healthy meals for seniors, part of your routine, effortlessly. Doctors and nutrition experts agree, consistency is more important than speed in results. Even small daily changes can make a big difference within just a few weeks. It reduces sarcopenia risk and boosts muscle strength and overall activity. Stay with me, because this information is not general advice. It's based on the latest research. You'll learn to maintain muscles safely, naturally, and effectively. Regain your daily life with energy and vitality, and enjoy movement and independence.
Don't miss out on our next useful content. Subscribe, like now, and keep watching. If you want stronger muscles today, start your morning with black beans. They contain complete protein that helps muscles grow. Fiber supports healthy digestion, boosts energy all day, and reduces fatigue and tiredness fast. Magnesium strengthens bones, while iron keeps blood healthy. A Harvard study confirms these benefits. Over 50% of seniors suffer from protein deficiency. 1 cup daily is enough. It activates muscles and reduces muscle loss. Sarcopenia slowly threatens strength, but black beans protect muscles. They are easy to cook with just water. Soaking for 8 hours helps. Add them directly to salads, or make a tasty morning soup. Never add extra salt, and avoid heavy oils with them. Eating regularly improves balance, increases overall body mobility, and makes climbing or descending stairs easier. It also supports mental focus and alertness. Doctors confirm their natural power. They reduce inflammation and support heart health. A Columbia University study shows significant strength gains after 6 weeks. 1 cup daily is effective. It keeps muscles firm and healthy. The brain benefits from the nutrients too. Fiber prevents constipation and aids digestion. Mind portion sizes moderately. Start the routine today. Enjoy a delicious, healthy meal and maintain your daily energy and activity. Stay tuned to discover the next powerful grain. We will cover it soon. Start your morning with chickpeas. Protein quickly strengthens your muscles. High in fiber, it aids digestion, supports heart health, and balances sugar. Magnesium protects bones effectively, while iron boosts blood and energy. A California study confirmed these benefits. Over 40% of seniors suffer daily protein deficiency. A small cup daily suffices. It stimulates healthy muscle growth. Sarcopenia decreases thanks to chickpeas, making movement easier and more active. Eat them in salads with olive oil or in a tasty morning soup. Never add extra salt and avoid heavy sauces. Chickpeas balance energy, reduce fatigue, support balance and mobility, and help brain focus and alertness. Doctors confirm their natural power. They reduce inflammation and protect the heart. A Harvard study showed significant strength gains in just a few weeks. Half a cup daily is enough. Fiber prevents constipation and aids digestion. Enjoy natural, tasty protein every single day. Start the routine now and maintain your energy and independence today. Stay tuned to discover the next powerful grain. Protein boosts muscles quickly. High in fiber, it aids digestion. Iron keeps blood healthy, while magnesium strengthens bones effectively. Lentils support heart health and help balance sugar.
A Harvard study confirmed these benefits. Over 35% of seniors gradually lose muscle mass. Half a cup daily is enough. It promotes healthy muscle growth. Sarcopenia decreases with lentils, making movement and activity easier. Add them directly to salads or enjoy a tasty morning soup. Never overuse salt and avoid heavy oils. Lentils increase natural energy, improve balance, and enhance mental focus. Doctors recommend this daily routine. They reduce inflammation and protect the heart. A Columbia University study showed noticeable strength gains in just a few weeks. Fiber prevents constipation and aids digestion. Enjoy a healthy, nutritious meal every day. Start the routine today and maintain your daily strength and activity. Stay tuned to discover the next powerful grain. Start your morning with pinto beans. Protein boosts muscles quickly. High in fiber, it aids digestion. Iron strengthens blood and energy, while magnesium protects bones effectively. Pinto beans support heart health and help balance sugar. A Harvard study confirmed these benefits. Over 40% of seniors gradually lose muscle mass. Half a cup daily suffices. It rebuilds muscles gradually, reduces fatigue, and increases daily activity. Easy to cook and prepare. Add directly to salads or enjoy a nutritious morning soup. Avoid salt and heavy sauces. Regular intake improves balance, supports mobility, and reduces sluggishness. Doctors confirm these natural benefits. They reduce inflammation and protect heart health. A Columbia University study showed strength gains after just a few weeks. Fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation. Enjoy a healthy, tasty meal every day. Start the routine now and maintain daily activity and independence. Stay tuned to discover the last powerful grain. Start your morning with navy beans. Protein boosts muscles quickly. High in fiber, it aids digestion. Iron strengthens blood and energy, while magnesium protects bones effectively. Navy beans support heart health and help balance sugar. A Harvard study confirmed these benefits. Over 35% of seniors gradually lose muscle mass. Half a cup daily suffices. It protects muscles from gradual decline, reduces fatigue, and increases daily activity. Easy to cook with water. Add directly to salads or enjoy a nutritious morning soup. Avoid salt and heavy sauces. A daily routine improves balance, supports mobility, and reduces sluggishness. Doctors confirm these natural benefits. They reduce inflammation and protect heart health. A Columbia University study showed strength gains after just a few weeks. Fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation. Enjoy a healthy, nutritious meal every day. Start the routine now and maintain daily activity and independence. This completes 5 powerful grains. Stay tuned for extra tips. Now that you know the 5 amazing grains that boost muscles and reduce muscle loss with age, it's time to apply this daily. Remember, the true secret is consistency. Even small changes each morning can make a big difference within just a few weeks. Start your day with a small cup in salads, soups, or breakfast. Moderate your portions and avoid heavy additions like too much oil or salt to get maximum nutrients. The protein in these grains not only builds muscles, but also supports heart health, strengthens bones, and improves energy and focus. Combine this with light physical activity, like daily walking or simple stretches. Muscles need movement to respond better to protein. Doctors confirm nutrition plus movement is the most effective way to fight sarcopenia and regain strength. If the routine feels hard at first, remember, change comes step by step. Make these grains part of your morning in a fun way. Try different recipes. Enjoy the flavors, and share the experience with family or friends. This is more than food. It's a healthy habit that gives independence, energy, and self-confidence. Drink water regularly throughout the day to support digestion and metabolism. Track your progress. Notice improved mobility, less morning fatigue, and gradual muscle gains. Studies show seniors who follow a plant-based, legume-rich protein routine gain noticeable muscle mass in 6 to 8 weeks, while improving overall energy, heart, and bone health. Finally, remember, health is strength. Taking care of your body today is an investment in your future. These 5 grains are more than food. They are the key to a more active life, more freedom, and enjoying every moment. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Try them in the morning. Feel the difference, and enjoy the energy and strength you'll gain every day. Stay tuned to the video and start your routine now.